How are you, students? Hello, dear students. Last video we discussed a types of elements, metal. So the metals generally, if any types of elements, they donate the electron and represent positive, means lost the electron. It is called metal, and some also characteristics of metal. And today we discuss some facts about of metal. So generally, most metal is a most reactive. So most reactive metal is a francium, and the heaviest metal is called osmium. Osmium, and the lightest metal is a lithium, and most heaviest, the lowest melting point of mercury metal. The melting point is minus 38.8 degrees Celsius, and the most poisonous metal is plutonium, and liquid metal mercury as usual, and best conductor among metal is silver, poorest conductor metal lead, and coinage metal is copper, silver, and gold, means Au, the sign of or symbol of gold, Au. Noble metal is copper, silver, gold, and most malleable metal is gold also, and the most ductile metal is a silver, most abundant metal is a aluminum, and most commonly used metal is a iron. So this is the some facts about metal. And dear students, so elements is a basic from the matter which cannot be broken down into simpler substance by chemical reaction. And the next types of elements is non-metal. So just a opposite of metal, the elements which tends receive the electrons, and that means gain the numbers of electron and represent negative charge. It is called non-metal. And also the character is just opposite to the metal, like that non-metal is electronegative because they receive the electron, means gain the numbers of electron, and non-metal except graphite are a poor conductor of heat, and they do not conduct electricity, and non-metal are neither malleable and nor ductile also. Also non-metal are neither luster nor sonorous. Non-metal have also low melting and boiling point, and some example of non-metal is carbon, boron, nitrogen, phosphorus, or oxygen, sulfur. So this is the example of non-metal. So definition, character, and some facts about of non-metal. Most reactive non-metal is a fluorine. Why? Because the total numbers of electron is 9. The electronic configuration according to Bohr is 2 and 7. So they receive one numbers of electron and fulfill the outermost cell. So it is a most reactive non-metal, fluorine. And non-metal having the lowest melting and boiling point because they are belong to gas, and the gas particles are sulfur, means two different types, two particles of gases. If any types of gases, the two particles, the space of two particles is very far. Next, non-metal having the highest melting and boiling point, for example carbon as a diamond, and liquid non-metal bromine. Best conductor among non-metal is carbon as a graphite because this is the alloy of carbon. Non-metal having metallic luster like that iodine or copper, carbon, for example graphite and diamond. And the heaviest solid non-metal is astatine, and also the lightest solid non-metal is boron. So this is the some facts about of non-metal. And next video we discuss, sorry, semi-metal. So just a simple information related to semi-metal or metallites. If any types of elements, the properties, the character, some properties of metal and some properties of non-metal, means the character belong to both types of a category or types of elements, means metal and non-metal. It is called metallites. That means if any types of elements, some character belong to metal side and some character belong to non-metal side. So this types of elements is called metallites or semi-metal. So we discuss next video definition, properties, and some facts of metallites. Okay. Thank you.